وَغُلِّقَتْ أَبْوَابُ النَّارِ. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala locks up the doors of hellfire. فَلَمْ يُفْتَحْ مِنْهَا بَابًا. And there are 7 doors for hellfire. Allah frees hundreds and thousands of his slaves every night, and that's وَذَلِكَ كُلُّ every night. Which thing is where everything will, when the store opens, oh my god, there are videos, there's stamping. People run in the store and grab anything they got. This is Ramadan. The Prophet ﷺ said that إِذَا كَانَ أَوَّلُ يَوْمٍ مِنْ شَهْرِ رَمَضَانِ. This hadith in Bukhari and Tirmidhi. The first day of Ramadan, فُتِحَتْ أَبْوَابُ الْجَنَّةِ. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala opens the doors of paradise. And not just open, in the Arabic what is futihat? Futihat means wide open. And you know how wide is the one door of paradise? The Prophet ﷺ said, سَبْعِينَ سَنَةً. 70 years, if someone is walking 70 years, imagine, that wide is one door of heaven, and there are 8 doors. So the Prophet ﷺ said that when the first day of Ramadan comes, فُتِحَتْ أَبْوَابُ الْجَنَّةِ, Allah wide opens the doors of heaven, فَلَمْ يُغْلَقْ مِنْهَا بَابٌ, and none of the doors of heaven remains closed, all open, the 8 doors. وَغُلِّقَتْ أَبْوَابُ النَّارِ. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala locks up the doors of hellfire, فَلَمْ يُفْتَحْ مِنْهَا بَابٌ, and there are 7 doors for hellfire, every door for different thing, different punishment. And not one of the door of hell is open. And then a special messenger from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala descends to the earth and he says, Ya baghi al-khayri, Ya baghi al-khayri aqbil. Oh, those who want to do something good, come. Allah's calling you, come forward. Aqbil, come forward. Wa ya baghi al-sharri aqsir. And those who are preparing themselves for a sin, for something evil, stop now, it's Ramadan. وَلِلَّهِ عُتَقَاءُ كُلِّ لَيْلَةٍ. And Allah frees hundreds and thousands of his slaves every night, and that's وَذَلِكَ كُلُّ every night. Allah frees those who have written hellfire on themselves. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala writes forgiveness and tell you are free from hell. وَذَلِكَ كُلُّ لَيْلَةٍ. So this is something, a really blessed thing. We have to calculate properly. How do we plan? It's something like someone said that there's a loot sale in this house, there's a 90%, 99% sale in the store, and the sale is just for one day. You know, how do people plan in Walmart? They line up outside before one night. They're standing there for that loot sale, and 2-3 days before they are going and surveying the store. Which thing is where everything will, when the store opens, oh my god, there are videos, there's stamping. People run in the store and grab anything they got. This is Ramadan. This is a loot sale for millions of reward, and getting yourself free from hellfire and from sins. You know, this is something someone who's very intelligent, wise and prudent, that you know what time is for what thing. This is not a time to waste even a minute.